The Xiaomi 13 Pro is arriving this Sunday, December 11th. It will have a fancy green color and a new camera design, but more importantly, it is finally getting an official IP rating. The company revealed the phone will be certified against dust and water resistance in a fancy video posted on Weibo. The camera will be able to take photos in all environments, including a mode to take pictures of the starry night, a feature missing from the Xiaomi 12 Pro. The IP rating needs to be certified by the IEC, International Electrotechnical Commission, otherwise, a product legally cannot be advertised as having ingress protection. Affordable Xiaomi phones have an official IP53 rating, which means the phone is protected from mild dust and spraying water. We expect to see IP68, as on the current flagship Xiaomi 12s Ultra, meaning the Xiaomi 13 Pro will be able to withstand even tougher conditions. The hero color of the Xiaomi 13 Pro is called Wilderness Green. It will be sold in a limited edition bundle with a smartwatch, which could be a new Watch S2 model, and the Buds 4 Pro, both of the wearables in the same fashionable paint job. There's also a massive protective case with a lanyard for the wrist for the ultimate green experience.